Love how we start off the video by planning our jokes.
Yeah, but I'm having a hard time figuring out a good one today. But I thought of this, like, dude, if Samuraizor could take pictures, would it be a Camerizer?
I hate you.
I know. How's it going, everyone? Today, Quakin Bacon will be doing another video. Again, wait.
With my legendary ultra-powered switch-frame bay hero, Samuraizor Sting Extreme, for anyone who's new. And today I'm going to be putting it up against...
The one-shot bay.
The Lord of One-Shot. And today we're going to be doing an epic battle... epic battle between... that bay...
Okay, BBG.
Yeah, hey, I got some serious nostalgia for that stuff. Don't you judge me.
Me too, I love it.
We're going to be doing... Prime Apocalypse... Zero Dagger, Ultimate Reboot Dash, and then if things go a little sideways, if it needs it, I will add the Big Bang armor. I have it on standby.
Just start with it.
No.
God, you stupid.
Because what if it doesn't need it?
It will.
I don't know, man. Okay, it might need it. There's a strong possibility that it might need the Big Bang.
Yeah.
Jeez. 1-0. Right off the bat. Are we going to 15? We're going to 15. I feel like it's going to be an easy clap. I'm never going to like that word again. Jesus. 2-0.
Easy clap.
I'm never going to like that phrase again. Because of what I just witnessed. Oh! All right. 3-0. I'll just. Okay, good. That was.
It doesn't need your.
I was saying, what if it didn't? All right. I have never done this battle before. What is it 4-0 now? 5-0 now? Is that or is it still?
Yeah.
Okay. 5-0. Should I just do mercy kill?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, yeah. So after watching Max just dishevel my uppercut on his channel, that was really disheartening. I just got done witnessing. Okay, good. That's such a bad launch too. 6-0. You know what? I'm gonna launch Samuraizor first.
Oh boy, we lost at that point.
Oh. Regret.
Hi, Scooty.
Shut up! I didn't immediately pocket myself.
I was saying hi to his ghost in here.
I was saying hi to his dead ghost. Oh! Oh! Did you see that jump?
Yes, I think Apocalypse might have this.
Alright. What is that?
Finally, a point.
Is it 5-1?
Yeah.
Okay. Jesus. Whoa! Come on! Slap a shit!
Dude, Ultimate Reboot worked great right there.
Yeah, like where that part where it gained a lot of speed. Whoa. Whoa. I got a little fuzz on my arm. 5-2, Spider Kiss. Ooh, 6-2. Does it have the 6-2 to come back?
6-2 to come back.
I beat you to it.
I hate you.
Just here's. Oh.
Hi, Scooty.
It's my karma. Scooty's just sitting here as a force ghost on the side. He's like, "Wee, you're doing good." I messed up my lunch.
I was drinking iced tea as you said that, and I started choking. I was chewing ice.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah.
Oh.
7-3, Spider Kiss.
this is great. This is great.
Who? Scooty. You're launching it right. Don't listen to Insta. You made your choice.
You made your choice. Have a nice life.
Yeah, dang it, why did you say that? I was gonna wait till I knocked out Apocalypse again and be like, have a nice life. Have a nice life! Jesus, did I break it?
No.
Oh, shit. No, it's good. It's good. It's good. Jeez. 8-3, Spider Kiss! Oh!
Dang, dude.
Oh! Wow, that was actually decent. Oh, we've lost a man! We're down a man! The comedy duo is no more! Oh.
I like how I got kicked out of the call.
You come back in and I'm mourning the loss of a dear friend. Is it 8-4 or 9-4?
Say 8-4.
8-4, Spider Kiss. Ooh, 9-4, Spider Kiss! Just gets more demonic the longer I go on.
The video's kind of delayed right now.
Oh!
Dude.
10-4, Spider Kiss! I'm gonna shred my vocal cords doing that.
Oh!
10-5, Spider Kiss! No, so it's whenever the lead like widens is when my voice gets deeper. Oh!
Oh! Oh!
10-6, Spider Kiss.
Spider Kiss?
Dude.
Wait. Maybe that's Prime saying it doesn't want it on anymore. Try a few rounds without the armor.
Nah, we're doing it. We're in it.
Alrighty.
Now. You mean Prime? It's not a person, you idiot. You mongoloid. You stay away from me. Stay away from me, man. I'm dangerous. I have a knife. Piss.
Ooh.
Is it 10-7, Spider Kiss?
Sounds like it.
Okay, 10-7, Spider Kiss. Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Jesus. No! 10-8, Spider Kiss.
Oh, get wrecked.
That's it. Ooh! 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 Where are you going? Where are you going? Ooh! You gotta go out. Yeah! Go out the stadium. That's what I was like. Have a nice life. 11-8, Spider Kiss.
Oh.
11-9, Spider Kiss. 12-9, Spider Kiss. I can't keep doing that, dude. Bro.
Come on, Sam.
Oh, Jesus.
You got this. Oh, you don't.
11-10, Spider Kiss, or 12-10, Spider Kiss?
12-10.
12-10, Spider... Or 9, right? Oh my god, I'm so bad at keeping track of score. Ah! No!
11. 12-11.
12-11, Spider Kiss. Big Bang Armor's being awkward. Do y'all enjoy listening to the printer sing its wondrous song in the background? Oh, what?
Oh.
12-12, Spider Kiss. Dude, this is actually kind of. I'm sweating. Ooh, no, that was it. It was supposed to fall out there.
Go out. No.
No.
Uh-oh. Come on, Samuraizor. You got this.
No, 13-12, Spider Kiss. Worried Spider Kiss, stressing. Ooh! Ooh! Can you please stop spinning? Oh no! no! 14 to 12, Spider Kiss!
Quake.
Oh, come on.
No.
We might have to go to 20. You know what? I'm going to do it right now. 20. We're going to 20. Ah, so smart. 15 to 12. Not good. We're not doing well right now.
At least you're humble.
Whatever you say, bud. That's what I think of your armor, bitch. Ugh.
That was epic. That should count as a first.
No. 15 to 13, Spider Kiss.
Spider Kiss? Oh!
15 to 14, Spider Kiss.
Samurai's like, fine, I get it. I see how it is. Let me just end you.
Let me just end you. Ooh. 15 to 15, Spider Kiss. Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh.
16 to 15, Spider Kiss?
Yep.
Shit. Oh.
Oh.
Dude,
Jesus.
that was wild. 16 to 16, Spider Kiss.
Spider Kiss?
Done.
Oh.
Armor's gone.
Gee.
17 to 16, Spider Kiss. No, you were supposed to fall out. Get him.
That's right.
18 to 16,
17.
Spider Kiss.
Yes, 18 to 16.
It was a bad one. I couldn't get Samuraizor on the launcher all the way. We're gonna redo that. Sorry, everybody.
Oh.
Dang.
Oh.
18 to 17. Yeah, this is really good. I figured the infinite locked bays would be the ones that give
go. Ultimate reboot.
It already went.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. That thing still has a wild amount of stamina.
Yikes.
19 to 17. Spider Kiss.
Same white.
Oh man, that was my.
Isn't giving up that.
That was my shot. Oh no! Oh no! I don't have it. 19 to 18.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, yes. Oh come on! Oh, 19 to 19.
Oh boy, Quake.
$20 to 19. Yes. That was a really close match. You know, frankly, I'd say that an infinite lock bay with that kind of power versus, well, not to. I'm not gloating. Like, I'm serious. I think this is probably one of the strongest. I'm not saying it is the strongest, but one of the strongest switch frame bays. I was kind of expecting it to be pretty even, especially with the Big Bang armor.
Yeah, it's like the second strongest switch frame bay. Like it's definitely gonna put up a great fight.
It's shut up. I'm not trying to be competitive right now. I'm being serious. I think that that was a good enough. Yeah, that was pretty awesome.
Really awesome.
Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Got really intense towards the end. I kind of stopped making jokes. Except for the Spider Kiss. That'll never go away.
Spider Kiss? It ended up having the 20 to 19 attitude to come back.
I guess so. The 20 to 19. Again, thank you everybody for watching. Is there any Bay out there that can possibly, like, from Takara Tome, shut up, Insta.
You can feel me about to
you were, I heard you. You were like winding up. You're like,
dude, I want you to know, I looked to my mirror and was like, had the biggest smile on my face. I was like, I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Is there any Takara Tome Beyblade that can end the reign that is Hero Samuraizor? Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.